Hello, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US, and very excited that you're joining me today. We are going to do a little sneak peek of my April 2024 Cultivated Creativity DIY paper crafting kit. So each month we curate an amazing kit full of fantastic goodies for you to use on your projects, and you're going to have plenty left over to continue your creation. So we do 4 cards and 1 not a card every month. So it's always a surprise. And unlike some kits, we do include the little giftable that goes in, at least when the not a card is a giftable item. We always like to put a surprise in there for that. And this month, I've got a couple extra surprises than we normally have. The kit is always fantastic, don't get me wrong, but we've done a little bit extra this month. So during celebration, we had the opportunity to earn the Trusty Toolbox Designer Series paper. We're including that in this month's kit as a free gift. So there's going to be even more goodies than normal in each kit. Now, I don't want to spoil all of the surprises, so I'm not going to tell you the other surprises we've got in store, but let me just say you're going to be excited. We want you to have a lot of flexibility in what you're doing and success. So we'll give you tips and tricks in each of the projects. So we provide a PDF tutorial with colored pictures, and I do a video overview that kind of gives you tips and tricks on each card as well, so that you can see them up close and kind of go over a few nuances in case you're unsure what you're seeing in the tutorial. So would you like to see a sneak peek of what we've got in store this month with our Trusty Toolbox Bundle? Yay! All right, we're going to start you off with a fun fold card, and this one has a belly band. Now, I'm not going to open this because we do the insides of all of our cards, and I want to keep that a surprise for each of our guests that participate with us. So lots and lots of fun here. And this way you can mix and match and change up your papers that you're using the way that we provide them in the kit. The second project, who doesn't need some tools? So we've got our lovely toolbox stacked full of some little crafty tools. So we can make these projects for all the men in our lives, or you can change your colors up and do something for the gals as well, right? Then our not a card, a super cute little box. I'm not telling you the surprise that's going to be inside this box, but this is stinking cute, right? Love it. All right, next, we're going to do a little bit of technique here. I'm going to show you how to do a little direct inked paper. And I'm not showing you the inside because I don't want to spoil the surprises. Let me just say, some things are gift card holders, some things are standard cards. You're going to see a wide variety. All right, last but not least, we've got another lovely toolbox. Now, on my sample, I cut that in the wrong color. It will be copper clay, not pecan pie. Oops. Sometimes we do that, right? But your kits will have the coordinating color, so it will match and won't look so grayed out, right? All right, I hope that you love all those projects and will be joining us for our April 2024 Cultivated Creativity DIY Paper Crafting Kit. Now, I will tell you, I only have a few spots left. Club is this subscription program is almost full. So I've got a handful of spots left. So be sure to get your subscription set up right away so that you don't miss out on this amazing, amazing kit. All right, let me know if you've got any questions. Leave me a comment below and I'll answer them right away. Thanks so much. Bye for now.